Hey there, gearheads! Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed. Buckle up because this isn't your grandpa's Bentley. Let's start with the elephant in the room. The W12 engine is gone. I know, it's the end of an era. But before you start mourning, let me tell you about its replacement. Bentley's gone hybrid, and trust me, it's better in every way. Under that long sculpted hood, you'll now find a twin-turbo 4-liter V8. But here's the kicker. It's paired with an electric motor. Together, they pump out a whopping 771 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. That's right, this hybrid Bentley is the most powerful production car the company has ever made. The numbers don't lie. 0 to 60, just 3.1 seconds. And remember, we're talking about a car that weighs over 5,400 pounds. It's like launching a luxury apartment. Fast. Now let's talk looks. Bentley's designers have been busy, and it shows. The biggest change? Those iconic quad headlights are gone. Instead, we've got these sleek new lights with LED eyebrows. It's a bold move, and it's sure to divide opinion. But here's the thing. Bentley did their homework. They asked their customers what mattered most. Turns out, it wasn't the headlights. It was the grille. So that massive Bentley grille? It's still there, proud as ever. Alright, enough ogling. Let's get inside and hit the road. Slip into the driver's seat, and you're surrounded by the finest materials known to man. We're talking hand-stitched leather, real wood, and metal switchgear that feels like it could outlast civilization. Fire up the engine and silence. That's right. This Bentley can cruise for up to 50 miles on electric power alone. Perfect for those early morning starts when you don't want to wake the neighbors. But let's be honest, you didn't buy a Bentley GT Speed to save the planet. Hit the gas, and that V8 roars to life. And what a sound it is. Somehow, Bentley's made this engine sound better than any of its cousins. It's got a growl that'd make a Lamborghini jealous. Now you might think all that hybrid tech would make the GT Speed feel heavy and sluggish in the corners. Think again. With less weight over the front axle, this thing turns in like a sports car. Bentley's thrown every trick in the book at the chassis. Rear wheel steering, torque vectoring, you name it. The result? A car that shrinks around you on a twisty road. It's still a big girl, make no mistake, but it dances in a way no 2.5-ton luxury coupe has any right to. But here's the real magic of the Continental GT Speed. Its split personality. One minute, you're attacking alpine passes like you're in a supercar. The next, you're wafting along in total comfort, ensconced in luxury. Bentley calls its default drive mode Bentley mode. Sounds a bit pompous, right? But it works. The car constantly adapts to your driving style and the road conditions. It's like having a butler who always knows exactly what you want before you do. Inside, Bentley's walked a fine line between high-tech and old-school luxury. Yes, there's a big touchscreen. Yes, the gauges are digital. But there are still physical buttons for all the important stuff. And if you're feeling really traditional, you can option the rotating display. At the push of a button, that big screen disappears, replaced by 3 analog dials. It's pure James Bond, and I love it. Now, I know what you're thinking. All this technology, all this luxury, it's got to cost a fortune. And you'd be right. We're looking at a starting price of around $260,000. Our test car? Over $300,000. Is it worth it? Well, that depends on your bank balance. But I'll say this. For the money, you're getting one of the most versatile cars on the planet. It's a luxury cruiser, a sports car, and a tech showcase all rolled into one. So there you have it, the 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed. It's faster than ever, more agile than ever, and yes, more efficient than ever. But more importantly, it's still every inch a Bentley. The W12 might be gone, but I don't think you'll miss it. This new hybrid V8 is a worthy successor in every way. It's powerful, it sounds amazing, and it gives the GT Speed a dual personality that's truly unique. Is it perfect? No car is. That new face will take some getting used to. And let's be honest, even with the hybrid system, you're not going to be winning any environmental awards. But as a showcase of what's possible when money is no object and compromise isn't in the vocabulary, it's hard to beat. The Continental GT has always been the Swiss Army knife of the automotive world. This new one? It just added a few more blades to the toolkit. So, what do you think? Is the hybrid future bright for Bentley, or do you wish they'd stuck with the W12? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep it in the fast lane. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.